Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be talking about the country which gave the famous footballers Messi and Maradona. Yes, I'm talking about Argentina. Argentina is widely known for its fun and loving people, vibrant culture, wide landscapes, and ultimate food. You will never get tired of these lovely things in the country. Besides all these, Argentinian festivals are also colorful and full of enjoyment. So much so that your trip to Argentina would not be complete without witnessing them. Most of the festivals attract a lot of tourists because they are a great chance to experience the music, appetizing cuisine, and party nature of the locals. So, let's look at the famous festivals of Argentina. First one is Oktoberfest. This festival is for beer lovers. Just as the name suggests, this festival happens in October every year in the city of Belgrano, Cordoba. One of the main events of the fest is the National Beer Festival, which attracts thousands of travelers to this place. Everyone drinks many liters of beer in giant German mugs in this 11-day fest. Apart from this, the beer garden is assigned to the vendors who offer delicious German dishes such as Frankfurt sausages, smoked pork ribs, and Selva Negra cake. Second festival is Vendimia in Mendoza. If you didn't know about Mendoza, then I will tell you that it is the wine capital of Argentina. In March, this festival is celebrated to honor the long harvest of grapes, finally transforming into wines. It started in 1936 but was a really small festival. Now it has grown to become a really grand festival. There are local tour guides which traverse the tourists through the journey of grapes. You can also eat great food and also listen to authentic music and attend concerts. The next one is Gualeguaychú Carnival. It is basically the same as other carnivals that happen around the world. The celebration is of Catholic origin and is a few miles drive from Buenos Aires. It happens towards the end of February and beginning of March. It offers you loads of local dishes along with fun music and dancing it to its beats. There is also a parade that runs through the town. The next one is Buenos Aires Carnival. As the name suggests, the carnival occurs in the capital city, Buenos Aires, in February every year. This carnival is a big one, which usually goes on for more than a week and showcases the traditional customs and Murga dance. Murga is a famous and popular music theatre in which bright and shiny costume wearers dance and show acrobatic movements. Everyone taps and dances on the drum beats and enjoys the parades. The fifth one is Festival Nacional de Doma y Folklore, also known as Jesus Maria Festival. It is called the Doma and Folklore Festival that takes place in the Jesus Maria city of Province Cordoba. It is a rich heritage music festival which sees the presence of gauchos, known as cowboys, showcasing their horseback skill. January is the month of this festival, and everyone gathers in amphitheater to visualize the folklore performance and then go to the field to witness the horse stunts. Another popular festival is Festival de Tango. Tango is unique and the most iconic dance style originated in Argentina and now done all over the world. This tango festival happens every August in Buenos Aires. In this 2 week long festival, the city floods with people coming from different places to participate in this free festival. The viewers' numbers cross lakhs and they get to see the amazing competition among thousands of couples. Even if you don't know the steps, you can learn the basic ones easily and dance in the full excitement. The seventh festival on our list is Septiembre Musical. This time it's opposite. This festival happens in the month of October, contrary to what the name suggests. However, the festival is a must for music lovers and is very popular among the locals. It takes place in the Tucumán province and offers classical music symphonies and latest genres such as hip hop, opera, pop, rock, jazz, and local folklore. The eighth and the last festival on our list is Buenos Aires International Film Festival. The Festival Internacional de Cine Independiente is an international film festival where independent cinema is promoted. It happens in the month of April and is the best stage for storytellers to promote and show their talent to the whole world. This festival is for those who love appealing stories and new ideas. You will see the rising artists and directors here. You should definitely see this festival if you are in Argentina around this time. I hope you enjoyed this video and you will witness at least one of these festivals when traveling to Argentina. You will have an unforgettable experience and will surely bring you back for more. Thank you for watching.